Have you ever struggled with dry, dehydrated skin that just won't stay hydrated, no matter how many moisturizers you try? I know how frustrating that can be. Today, we're going to dive into a product that promises to tackle that problem head-on, the Cetaphil Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel. If you're someone with sensitive skin or dryness issues, this might be exactly what you've been searching for. But does it really deliver on its promises? Let's find out. Cetaphil is known for creating products that cater to sensitive skin, and their Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel is no different. This water gel is designed to provide 72 hours of hydration with a cooling, weightless formula. It's packed with hyaluronic acid and polyglutamic acid, two powerhouse ingredients known for their skin moisturizing benefits. The key here is the hydrosensitive complex, which helps soothe and hydrate the skin while strengthening the skin barrier. I've been using this product for the past few weeks, and I have to say, it feels incredible on the skin. The texture is like a burst of cool water, almost gel-like, but still super lightweight. It absorbs quickly, and there's no greasy residue left behind, which is perfect for my routine. I've applied it both in the morning and at night, and I've noticed an immediate boost in hydration. It's also fragrance-free, dye-free, and oil-free, which makes it perfect for anyone with sensitive or reactive skin. I didn't experience any irritation at all, which is a huge plus in my book. The formula is gentle yet effective, and I've noticed that my skin feels smoother and more comfortable throughout the day. No dryness, no tightness. Now let's talk pros and cons. First, the pros. The texture is amazing. It's light, refreshing, and doesn't leave you feeling weighed down by a heavy cream. It's deeply hydrating, and I've noticed that my skin stays hydrated throughout the day and night, which is exactly what you need if you're battling dry skin. And the best part? It doesn't irritate sensitive skin. The formula feels soothing, not harsh. However, there are a few cons to mention. While the product promises 72-hour hydration, I personally found that after about 24 hours, my skin felt like it could use a top-up, especially in drier conditions. It might work better for those with more normal to mildly dry skin rather than those with extremely dehydrated skin. Another point to consider is the size. At 1.7 ounces, it's a bit on the smaller side for the price. When it comes to value for money, I'd say this is a solid product if you're looking for a moisturizer that is both hydrating and gentle on sensitive skin. However, if you're expecting the 72-hour hydration claim to hold up in extreme conditions, you might need to reapply more frequently. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. If you're looking for an alternative that might fit your budget a little better, there are plenty of other hydrating gels and creams out there, though they might not come with the same specific combination of polyglutamic acid and hyaluronic acid. Brands like Neutrogena and La Roche-Posay offer similar hydrating products at lower price points. All in all, the Cetaphil Deep Hydration Skin Restoring Water Gel is a great choice for those with sensitive or dry skin looking for a lightweight, soothing moisturizer. It does a great job of hydrating and soothing without irritating. If you're after something that really locks in moisture for the long haul though, you might need to layer it with a richer cream. Thanks for tuning in. If you've used this product, drop a comment below. Let us know your thoughts. And until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.